Hi, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series on currency search. Now, what currency search is we're going to look at the serial numbers and pull out any ones that are mean anything to us, like a birth date, or I click any one that's four of a kind. There are several different sequences, like a ladder, a rolling ladder, let's see, a binary, a trinary, several different things. Binary would be the serial numbers is two different numbers, 21212121, something like that, or 76766767, or anything that looks a little weird, looks a little bit cool to you. And my main things, I'm looking for star notes, which is on the serial number there will be a star at the end of the serial number. And what that means is during the printing process, if there was ever a mistake, they would take that run of currency and destroy them and reprint it and put a star behind it. So those are a lot more rare than the regular serial numbers such as these. And going to quickly glance and look at for any misprints or anything that's way off centered, or just anything that looks different that you might like. So I got $600 here. Let's just cut that approximately in half, put that one aside. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit, and we're going to look at serial numbers and find out any and pull them aside. And I'm going to add them to my collection. One of these days I'm going to show you my collection of star notes. 49791846. Nope. 76332625. Nope. 78740679. Nope. 62680414. Nope. Look at here, four of a kind. 2444243445. There you go. That's a 2345. But anyway, I'm going to say this one because it's four in a row of the same numeral, same number. Put that aside. 944133329. Nope. 817653006. Nope. Now I did take all these and put them in the same, facing the same direction, so it'd be easier for us to look at. 845288683. 0420539. 83684392. 38160522. Nope. Looking at all these numbers, sometimes you get them jumbled up very easy, like you have seen that I have done already a couple of times. 600594335. Nope. 13250407. 0407. Excuse me. Sorry about that. One of my pet peeves is people uses O's instead of zeros. 2561031. Nope. 422132923. Nope. 32236823. Nope. 90345180. Nope. 18152726. Nope. 69199795. Nope. 16345735. Nope. 23912363. Nope. 67076864. Nope. 89453544. Nope. 4531 6538, nope. 1752 2828, nope. 8784 5141, nope. 15333 780, nope. 1186 0835, nope. 733 nope. Okay, that's the first stack of those fives. We're going to put those aside. I've got one pulled out, put aside. 06879730, nope. 23555 nope. 21654954, nope. 75992896, nope. 59819486, that's a 1948. Look at there, got a star note. Like it a lot. Mainly I collect star notes over anything else, but if I see like 4 in a row, keep those. 03630193, put that one aside. 391-52714, nope. 519-65395, nope. 7583-3429, nope. 249-22373, nope. 077-86193, nope. 281-79247, nope. 9359-6001, nope. Now I'll probably miss one, so if y'all see one that I miss, go ahead and point it out in your comments below. 53960769. Like I said earlier, sometimes these numbers run into each other and you just don't catch them. 07492203. 01904465, nope. 43460928, nope. 90832039, nope. 91233-944, nope. 41857560, nope. 04867477, nope. 796-44697, nope. 204-22154, nope. 9403-6875, nope. 4336-1736, nope. 2393-5628, nope. 241-97049, that's 1970. 1976 on this one. 01976-115, nope. 0478-1434, nope. 5299-7218, nope. 2481-4131, nope. Okay, I got 2 out of here. Got a star note, and I got 4 of a kind. So anyway, this is just a fun hobby to do. I don't know, can't tell you right offhand what these 2 are worth, but in my collection they were worth at least $5 each. Makes your collection look a little bit cooler. My name is Carl with a K, and I do appreciate you watching.